I came over to let the birds out, and I was going to give them some feed. Laura forgot to put the lid on the feeder. I mean, not the feeder, but the feed bucket. And I found a little surprise in there. Two orange kittens. Hello, kitties. They're skittish. They're letting me pet them, but if I try to pick them up, they start to go crazy. So I'm not sure whose babies these are. Are they candies, or I think they're not candies. I think they're Donna's. Whose babies are these? Are these your babies? I don't think they're hers. I think she has different colored kittens, but Donna is an orange and Tails is an orange. So 90% chance these are Donna's and oranges. It's okay. They're both boys. At least one definitely is. I think this one is harder to tell. I checked them both. One's obviously a boy. The other one's still not developed enough to tell for sure. But anyways, yeah. So we got these two kittens plus some other kittens on the land. So our cat population is growing again. It's okay. The more shelters I have, the easier it is for them to survive. I feed them enough to keep them alive, and then they hunt for the rest of their food. So, anyway. But these two are boys. They'll probably end up getting runned off by their father. I might have to take them somewhere and have them adopted or whatever. Maybe take them to Kaplinger. But I'll wait till they're a little bit older. They look scared. Cold or scared or both. Candy. Where's your babies? So these are babies. Even if they're not her babies, she's a good mom. She'll take care of them. But they don't need to be in the feed bucket. So I'm going to take them out. It's okay, little guys. It's okay. Don't be scared. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. I love kitties. Tastes like chicken. Just kidding. I don't eat cats. Not on purpose anyways. There's this Chinese restaurant I really liked up in Gladstone a long time ago. And it kept getting shut down for serving cat and dog. And I didn't even know it. Shit, it scared me. I didn't even know it till after the fact. But so I probably like cat and dog if I don't know I'm eating them. But I hear cats taste just like chicken. But I love cats. I wouldn't eat them. Not on purpose anyways. It's okay. We've got excess cats over at Collins too, so I've been bringing some of them over here as well. But yeah. Anyways, gotta go. Gotta get to work. I put down a little bit of food, but I'll let Laura feed them the most. But it's funny, these guys, they're trying to jump out. They can't get out. Come in. Watch them try to jump out. They're too short. They're like mice in a bucket. It's okay. It's okay. All right. I'll let him out now.